Is your laptop typing by itself? A key is pressing on its own. No worries. I'll show you how to find that key and disable it easily, or change it to another key using a free tool called SharpKeys. Let's get into the video. My laptop is pressing a key again and again. To find the key, I used a website called keyboardtester.com. Just search keyboardtester.com on Google. Click Launch the tester. And don't press anything. Wait for a few seconds. If any key lights up, that's your problem key. In my case, the comma key was auto-pressing. Now let's disable that key using a free tool. Open your browser and search for SharpKeys Microsoft Store, or copy the link from the description box. Click on Download to get the tool. Then install it. It's simple and quick. Now let's disable the auto-pressing key. This will help you use your laptop peacefully until you replace the keyboard. Open SharpKeys application from the Start menu. Click Add. Find the auto-pressing key in the left list and select it. If you are unable to locate it, click on Type key and press the key you want to turn off. If the key auto-presses or you press it manually, it will be detected. Now, click OK. On the right, hit Turn key off. Now tap OK and write to Registry. Restart the laptop. Auto-pressing key is now disabled. Even if you press the key now, it won't type anything. Now I'll show you how to disable a key that's auto-pressing and map it to another key, so you can still use that key without replacing the keyboard. First, open the SharpKeys application and click on Add. On the left side, choose the key you want to disable, for example, here. On the right side, select Turn key off. Click OK, then click Write to Registry. Now key is disabled. Next, click Add again. This time, on the left, choose the right Shift key. On the right, choose A. This means you'll use right Shift instead of A. Click OK. Then again click Write to Registry and restart your laptop. Now, A is disabled, and when you press right Shift, it will type A. Now let's see how to undo the changes and bring your keyboard back to normal after replacing it. Open the SharpKeys app again. Click Delete All from the main menu. Then click Write to Registry and restart your laptop. This will remove all key remapping settings. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.